A baby born addicted to drugs, a teen desperate to fit in, a courtroom moment that may be his last shot at freedom. What happened to Aaron Guillory will leave you speechless. Judge breaks down after learning this teen's tragic truth. He was born addicted to drugs. Now he's facing years in prison.
Good morning. Court is calling 2021 CR 4510 State versus Ruby Benton Court. Can I have parties announce?
Megan Galloway for the state.
And are you Ruby Benton Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And for the state?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Valentina Kogut for Miss Benton Court.
All right. And are you the same Ruby Benton Court who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 4510 for the offense of credit debit card abuse on July 20th, 2021 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Sir.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 5 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Ruby Benton Court, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of February through September 2022 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead for that? True or not true? State. Are you waiving the remaining allegation?
State will waive and remain. Waive and abandon the remaining violation. Thank you, Your
All
Honor.
right, no problem. Any objections?
Yeah.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 5, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine?
Sir.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 5?
Yes.
Court will find violation of condition number 5 true. Is there proposed agreement?
Yes, there is, Your Honor. That is to grant the state's motion to revoke probationer, but to sentence under 1244 for 300 days Bexar County jail with a felony conviction.
Yes, sir. That's our understanding.
All right, what has she done on probation? Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
None from the state, Your Honor.
None from the defense.
All right, what I can do, I can tell y'all, I'm not inclined to grant a sentence under 1244. According to the court summary, she hasn't done anything. Have you done anything? All right, could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, did you report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Well, they say that you've been missing since February 2022. Did you report February of 2022?
I don't recall, Your Honor, honestly.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September,
I reported the first year.
and then you just stopped reporting.
I was under the assumption that it was only for a year, Your Honor.
No, you were not under that assumption. Let me tell you why you were not under that assumption. Because your probation was extended. So that means that you know that.
What do you? Okay.
So you haven't done anything.
Yeah, my understanding, she had a family situation. Her dad passed away.
Mhm.
And my understanding was during COVID.
All right, I'm not inclined to give you a 1244 because you haven't done anything. It says here on the court summary, you didn't report for the months of February through September 2022, November through December 2022, January through March 2023. Field officers have made 11 field visits during this time. They made frequent contact with you, telling you you need to report. And they're like, your last report to probation was a virtual office visit in October. And they said it was an intervention urging you to report. And it says the probation officer has responded with phone calls and texts. And their last time they made a phone call was February 2023, and the recording stated that the phone number was out of service. Did you do any community service hours?
No, Your Honor.
Did you complete the theft course?
I registered for it. He was supposed to tell me where to go, but he didn't.
All right, so she hasn't done anything. So I don't think she's appropriate for a 1244. All right, the court is going to grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, and the court will sentence you to 12 months in the state jail facility. Give you credit for any time served. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Sir.
All right, good luck to you. When you're released from, I'm sorry, I'm going to add the therapeutic community because I know there's a drug issue as well. All right, thank you. Hello. All right, the court is calling Cassandra Oberlinder. Can I have the parties announced?
Duffy Pitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
Roberto Ambrosino for the defense.
And are you Miss Oberlinder? Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Miss Oberlinder, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading? I'm sorry, did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, we are not, Your Honor. We are proceeding for the lesser included attempted burglary of building to make this a Class A misdemeanor.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted burglary of a building as a Class A misdemeanor. The range of punishment is up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes.
I'm sorry, up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Ms. Oberlinder, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of attempted burglary of a building. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution to, how do you pronounce this? Adi or Adi?
Ida.
Ida, Aide, Gregoria Ramos. And there's to be no contact with the same in the MRT. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor, but can we briefly go off the record on a issue that has been brought to my attention by
Oh.
probation?
Probation has already given it to me. I'll address that at the appropriate time.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, thank
And that is our agreement.
And
All right.
also the state's recognition of the agreement.
All right, did you review the waiver of appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
And did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there any such motions?
There have none.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 100 hours community service restitution, and no contact with the complaining witness. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the lesser included offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest.
State any evidence.
State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments at this time, Your Honor.
No objection.
State, you may be excused.
Judge.
Did you review the waiver and consent to stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt. When will you be back in Colorado?
Tonight.
All right, so we're going to reschedule this for sentencing, and the sentencing, if there's no objection, will be done by Zoom.
There's
No objection.
No objection.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, recall this for sentencing on July 24th. It'll be by Zoom. Is there anything else?
No, you're not.
All right, thank you. And Ms. Abrams, did you want to